Affiliate marketing, what is it?
Affiliate marketing is a great way to make an extra income. Once you have everything all set up and ready to go, you can begin making an income from your efforts. Affiliate marketing is when someone else pays you a commission or a percentage of what you sell for them. For example, a coffee business may pay you 10% on all sales that you make for them. This is how it works. When a business decides that they would like to have some help selling their product or service, they will then start an affiliate program. When they do this, they are allowing others to sign up and sell their products or a particular service that they are offering. The ones that sign up to the affiliate program have multiple ways that they can market the service or the product that we will get into later. However, the company that needs the help selling the product will then give all of their affiliates a unique ID number that they can use in their links, and so that the company can see who the sale came from when a sale is made from an affiliate. There are many different types of affiliate marketing programs. There are those that offer one-time commissions off of a sale. Some of them might offer lifetime commissions, and others may pay just for leads that you can get them. Whether it is for a newsletter lead, or something else. Just having interested parties sign up for things for more information is another one. The type of affiliate program that you choose to have is completely up to the person that is the owner of the business. They can decide the percentage, or flat rate that they are willing to pay for a sale or a lead. Then those interested can sign up and help them make sales and get leads for a certain amount of money. Those signing up for affiliate marketing, and different programs to sell for others, can do this many ways. They can promote the services or the products on a website that is relevant to the affiliate programs that they are a part of. Or they can also promote them on a blog. Both of these are great ways to get traffic to your affiliate programs and make sales from them. Some even use email and newsletter marketing as a way to get sales for others as well. Whichever technique and way that you decide to use is up to you. Once you have chosen the affiliate programs that you are wanting to market, you will then need to be sure to read all of the rules and stipulations for that program. Because all of them will be different. Some may not want their name used in the URL of your website, and some might also not want the particular product or service that you are selling for them used in the title tags for the page, or anywhere else on the page. Because of all of the different requirements and stipulations that you have to read, you may even need some software to help you sort it all out and decide which one is the best for you and your affiliate marketing business. Choosing the affiliate marketing programs that you want to go with is not hard to do at all. Choose something that you know about, and that you can be known as an expert about. The more passionate you are about the service or product, the better, as it will shine through. Once you have all of your programs in place, check out SEO, and find out how to get your website up on the first page of the search engines. This is going to take hard work and determination, but you can do it. Affiliate marketing is something that anyone can learn. Start out by reading a good ebook or blog by someone that is a pro for the best marketing tips and techniques that you can use. Learn from others that have done and accomplished what you are trying to do.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.